What is up, guys? Welcome back to Horsepower Speedway, home to the Ridge as well as the home to the greatest drivers out there. We have two drivers that are going to be going head to head to see who can go up against the tower this week. Now let's introduce those drivers. All right, first driver up, we have the Mustang Hunter in a 1968 Mustang California Special. Now he'll be going up against Cody Collins in the Datsun 510. So let's get the track cars ready. Let's make some passes, ensure the track is safe and good to go. We'll see out of these two drivers who will be going up against the tower and competing for the top spot. What is up, guys? Chopper Bob tuning in. Welcome back to some racing. Looks like the test vehicle went off track, so we got to make sure that the road conditions are safe for the drivers. So let's get this going. Alright, guys, test cars give the thumbs up. They said everything is good. So let's get the Mustang Hunter and Cody Collins in the starting gate and let's begin. Alright, here we go. It's been a while since we've seen the Mustang Hunter on track. So he's going up against Cody Collins. Muscle versus import. Let's see who can take this one in. It looks like Cody Collins took that first one. Mustang Hunter is now in lane 6. Let's see how this one goes in. Oh man, 1-1. Who is going to be the winner of the ultimate muscle versus import? Is it going to be Cody Collins or the Mustang Hunter? Let's get this going. Wow, guys, all I have to say is the Datsun really did outperform the Mustang. But let's see how Willie does on the ridge in. Oh my gosh, guys, the 510 was right on the bumper of the Mustang. But it looks like Mustang Hunter took that one. Let's see if he can do it again. If not, Cody Collins goes up against the tower. All right, here we go. 510 on the inside, Mustang on the outside lane. Let's see who's going to be the winner in. With the crash, and the Mustang is going to not finish that win. Oh my gosh. I don't know why Mustang Hunter just stops right there. Come on, dude. Both got DNFs. Let's get them back up top. All right, here we go. Mustang Hunter took the first one, but can he hold him off? Let's get this going in. With the turnaround, and Cody takes it. Oh man, talk about some head-to-head races. Cody took second. It is 1-1. And the Mustang Hunter hold him off. Let's get this going. It is neck to neck and the 510 wrecks. Oh my gosh, guys. Cody wrecks right before the finishing gate. It looks like Mustang Hunter is off track as well, but everything seems to be good. Both thumbs up, so let's get it cleared and going. All right, here we go. Track is cleared. Let's see who is going to win this one in. Neck to neck, Mustang Hunter takes the win. Nicely done there, buddy. Looks like he took out the barricade and his Mustang is stuck. And where is Cody? Oh, there he is. Everything is good to go. He tried, but it was really, really good racing right there between these two drivers. Dude, congrats, Mustang Hunter. All right, Mustang Hunter is heading to the tower. First car he'll be going up against is the Alien car, driven by Simple Man Mustang Diecast. All right, all the drivers are ready to go, especially the top spot Pussycat in the Porsche 935. Now hopefully he can hold his throne because he held off Adam last week in the 99 SVT Lightning. And of course you got End Count in the Evo sitting in third, Strictly Diecast in the Porsche 911 in fourth, Gary Redman in the 05 Mustang with the FTEs in fifth, and Alien car driven by Simple Man Mustang Diecast. All right, here we go. First race, Mustang versus Alien. Let's get this going. All right, here we go. Simple Man held off the Mustang Hunter in the first one. Mustang Hunter answered back and took the win for that one. It is 1-1. Let's get this going. Mustang Hunter was not fast enough. It looks like the Alien car held him off. Now let's see if Simple Man can hold him off on the ridge. Let's get this going in. Held him off all the way to the end. All right, Simple Man is driving very good today. He's really trying to hold on to his spot. Mustang Hunter's trying, but he just cannot seem to find the sweet spot on the ridge. With the wreck, and Simple Man takes it. Now that is racing right there, guys. Simple Man held off the Mustang Hunter. Pretty much just told him to move out the way because you were not getting on the tower. But check this out, guys. Mustang Hunter's good to go. But Simple Man is going up against Gary Redman. All right, Gary's second time on the track. He is no stranger, and his car performs very well. So let's see if Simple Man can hold him off. Let's get this going in. Very nice driving from Gary, held him off perfectly. Now let's see if he can do it again. All right, Gary did an amazing win on the straight, but can he hold him off on the ridge? Let's get this going in. Coming around, and Gary takes it. All right, here we go. Driver switch lanes. Gary's now on the inside. He did so good on that first run. Can he do it again? Nice driving, and it looks like he bumped him for the win. Oh my gosh, guys, every time. Look at that. Simple Man gave Gary the win, and now Gary goes up against Strictly the Porsche 911. All right, Strictly is going up against Gary once again to hold him off in his position. Let's see if Gary can take it from him in. Uh-oh, now we all know that Gary's car is very fast on the straights. Let's see if he can take it from him. All right, we got Strictly on the outside lane, Gary on the inside. Can Strictly hold him off? With a crash, and can Strictly finish? They both get a DNF. All right, drivers are reset back in their original lanes. Let's get this going. Strictly got lucky with that DNF. It looks like Gary finished. Man, talk about a phenomenal amount of speed in that Mustang. Strictly could be losing this spot if he doesn't hold him off. Oh, and a crash, and Strictly takes that one. Oh, dude. Nice driving from Strictly, man. Taking that win, holding him off just one more time. Can he do it again? Or can Gary take his spot? Let's get this going. All right, here we go. Strictly looks like he is ready to go. Let's get this going. And Gary takes that one. All right, so it looks like Gary's going to be going up against InCount in the yellow Evo. All right, InCount and Gary are ready to go. Let's get this started in. All right, come on, let's see this all-wheel drive against the Mustang. Let's get this going. All right, we seen last week, this is where InCount shines. Let's get that Evo going in. With the crash, and InCount takes it. Oh, guys, that is what the Evo does best. Finish that course and beat Gary in that one. So he takes the win. Nice. Nicely done. InCount is ready to go. He is not afraid. Let's see if he can hold him off again. Mustang takes it, wrecks again, and InCount takes it. Nicely done by InCount. Now he will be going up against Adam in the SVT Lightning. Uh-oh, I think this is the first time InCount and Adam have gone head-to-head. Let's see how well the Evo does against the Lightning in. All right, Adam took that one. Can InCount do it? Let's see. You know, I think at this point, InCount is not too concerned because he owns the ridge when it comes to driving that Evo. There goes the Lightning, and InCount takes it. Oh, our dude is killing it. Can he do it? All right, I think the pressure is kicking in. InCount is trying to hold him off. Let's see if he can do it. Lightning ahead, and could he do it? And he pushes Adam to the winning point. Here we go, 1-1. Can InCount pull this off? Let's get this going in. With a crash, and InCount takes it. Oh man, the tables have turned. InCount took it, and Adam is now sitting in third position. Oh dude, Pussycat, here we come. Here we go, InCount versus Pussycat for top spot. Let's get this going in. All right, there we go. Pussycat took it. Let the Evo try. Let's get this going in. This right here, guys, can make or break a race. InCount on the inside and Pussycat on the out. Let's get this going in. And Pussycat takes it. All right, guys, here we go. Can Pussycat hold him off? Or is In Count going to have a chance to be at the top spot? Let's get this going in. Close race, and Pussycat solidifies that win. Here we go, guys. Pussycat is still king of the tower, but the best thing about it, guys, is In Count moved up. Now he's in second position, and he moved Adam into third, and we know that truck is fast and really good at the ridge. The Evo really performed well. And then we have Gary in the 05 Mustang sitting in fourth. Strictly in the 911 is in fifth. Of course, Simple Man Mustang Diecast in the Alien car is holding down sixth position as gatekeeper. There we have it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed today's races. Talk about full throttle and craziness given today on the track. So until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter over at Horsepower Speedway. And until next time, peace.